What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at two knives from Civivi. It is the Brazen. If you've been following any of my budget videos, you'll know that the Brazen is one of my favorite budget knives. So I'm excited to get two kind of different versions of them. The first one that we're going to take a look at is the Coarse green Micarta with a bead blasted D2 Tanto, obviously. So let's get another knife here and break the seal. Yeah, I'm very excited for these. So let's see what we have here. Obviously your typical little pouch from Civivi. Typical Civivi stuff inside. Oh yeah. And there she is. Okay, so we have the typical Bead blasted Tanto. And we got the nice green, coarse green Micarta. Very, very nice. Appears that yeah, it looks like the inserts are still bead blasted too to match. So very nice. Yeah, still feels good action wise. Obviously, the thing that I love the most is the multiple deployment methods, which are flawless. Absolutely no play up or down or side to side. So very, very nice. I love the Tanto blade, the secondary tip on this knife. That's one of my favorites. I love the nice full handle. I mean, if you have a big hand, you're gonna like the fullness of the handle versus so many other budget knives that get really thin and short in the tallness. I like the tallness of the Brazen. It just feels really good in the hand no matter what your purchase is. So very nice. Yeah, and the action is just going to get super smooth. Very nice, very, very nice. Yeah, the action is just gonna be, just know. Sometimes you just never know. You get the newer versions and sometimes they don't talk to you right away, or or they just don't talk to you at all. This one, just like my last one. Do I have my last one? Oh, yes, I do. Of course I do. I've had my last one handy right here, the purple one. And it's just, yeah, it's just, I messed that up. That has nothing to do with the knife. Just great, great smooth action and still tight, still holding a very good edge, and just absolutely priced right. Great materials. Again, Micarta, bead blasted blade, $50. So let's get to the other one here. This is the little more glamorous one with the Damascus blade and coarse black Micarta. Typical stuff inside your pouch there. So oh yeah. Ooh, now that's a dark, dark Damascus. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice dark Damascus blade there. Very, very nice. Yeah, this is a real nice deep etch too, so you can almost kind of feel it. So it took a lot of nice time. This one is, I think, $88. So you get a really good micarta with a nice full Damascus blade. Very, very sharp. Very, very nice. I hope the camera is picking it up. But yeah, that's nice. It's nice. And this Coarse micarta feels really good in the hand too. You know, it's not super slippery, so you know it's got that dryness to it. So it's not too overly resined out. Sometimes these micartas, a cheap micarta can be very resiny. So they have a shine to them, and when they have a shine to them like that, they're not gonna patina. Which, you know, the patina, especially on like a green, is gonna come out really, really sharp. But they're not gonna patina, but they're also gonna be kind of slippery in the hand, and you really don't want that. Look at that. Yeah. But that is a sharp knife, and like I said, 88 bucks. You're hard put to get a really good knife with that kind of a blade. That's just really, really great. So you get a little bit of a glamorous knife, but don't let that fool you either, because of Damascus, just because of how they have the appearance of looking the way they look, they are still very much fundamental into doing what they can do for a job. Matter of fact, they tend to use even more premium steels when they're doing a Damascus blade to begin with. They usually, like Damascus steel, which is a brand name of Damascus, is using premium powder steels. So they're not cheap materials. They're actually using really good materials, because when they're rolling the steel, it has to stay together. So they tend to use better steels just to guarantee that. But ooh, I think this one's even more drop shutty. Very nice, very nice. Totally secure lockup. But yeah, whew, guys, I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with either one of these. Like I said, I love everything about the Brazen. It just really knocks it out of the park for me. And in case I didn't mention it, it's totally blacked out liners. Everything's blacked out on this one. Very, very nice, guys. Yeah, they're fidget friendly. I mean, they really are. Multiple deployments. Action is just super, super good, guys. You can't go wrong. So, 50 bucks with micarta, that's a deal. And then micarta and a Damascus blade for about 88 bucks or so. These are the knives. These are the knives to beat. This one especially, 50 bucks. I was kind of wondering if we were going to have some really good budget knives this year, especially in the Tanto configuration. Yeah, Civivi is stepping up their game. So knives like the Honey Badger, which I'll tell you is one of my favorites this year too. I mean, action, multiple deployments again, and a very nice knife. But man, Civivi coming in with these Brazens, very, very nice. Very nice. And I just enjoy the Brazen, and that micarta feels even better than the G10. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to take these knives out. I'm going to flip the heck out of them. See if we can get any wiggle out of them. Can't get any wiggle out of this one. I flipped the heck out of this thing. I've even bent the pocket clip off it. And that's another thing, guys. Buy some extra pocket clips. Sometimes I ripped this one out of my pocket, bent the heck out of it. $5 from Civivi. You can't beat. I think it was $5. I think it was $5 from Civivi. Can't hurt to have a couple extra pocket clips. So it might seem kind of chintzy and they might bend up pretty easy, but Civivi does take care of you by selling them cheap. They're like $5, $8, something like that, shipping included. So get you a couple extra pocket clips. I got a couple. Never hurts to have them at that price. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We'll catch you next time after we take these out and beat the heck out of them. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day, guys.